what is up guys? This is Amir here and welcome back to my channel. I guess you are hearing the raindrops on the roof. Yes, it's raining and it's raining hard. This winter was one of the coldest winters I've ever had. During the last 2 or 3 years, I've never seen any winter just like this year. Today is Sunday and during the whole weekend from Friday we had snow. So today I decided to have a little bit of traveling to one of the cities near Toronto with a 50-kilometer distance to Toronto. The name of this city is Hamilton. Hamilton is famous for its falls. There are so many waterfalls near Toronto. And one of them is Tiffany Falls. So today I drove here to Tiffany Falls. I'm just in the parking area of Tiffany Falls, but I cannot go out. I'm basically stuck in the car because it's raining hard and I forgot to bring my umbrella. And at the same time, I don't want the camera to be wet. So I'm waiting here. Hopefully the rain will end and I can go and see the falls. This is my first time to see these falls as well. And at the same time, I can make some beautiful videos for you guys. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay guys, the rain is stopped, so fortunately we can go and see these falls. Here is so quiet guys, it's so beautiful. I haven't seen the waterfalls yet, but it's so beautiful here. If you live near Toronto, it's just 40 minutes drive to Toronto. I really recommend you guys to come here and enjoy this beautiful nature.
You better listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can give from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I want to do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, I need.
Okay, here we can see the amount of snow. At least 30 to 40 centimeters.
Can go where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Babe, there is this place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Okay guys, you can see the falls behind me, and as expected it's frozen. And these guys here are going to climb the falls.
Hold you tight. How can I tell you what I want to do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. Babe, there is this place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Okay guys, this waterfalls is named after Dr. Oliver Tiffany. Dr. Tiffany was the first physician that was known here in this area. The name of this area is Ancaster, and it's very, very close to Hamilton. So because of that doctor, they named this waterfalls Tiffany Falls.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Okay guys, fortunately I could get a chance when it was not raining and get off the car and go and see the waterfalls, and also I could get some beautiful videos and also some beautiful pictures that I'm going to upload on my Instagram page. I'll put the link to my Instagram page in the description below, so if you are not a follower, please go and follow my Instagram page. I upload pictures twice a day. Okay guys, let me know if you like this video by hitting that like button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the coming videos that I upload every week. I'll see you next week. That's Root.